So we bought a tipper that we can use with our tractors, and the nice thing about this one is it's a small one, so I can actually get into it with my excavator. So I just brought it home, so I had to get it somewhere far away, so I had to put it on a trailer, but it just works. So I got a trailer in the workshop today, and it has a rotating door at this moment, and of course that's not very practical. So I like to make this a proper tipping hatch. So yeah, let's work on that. So this is gonna work way better as it does at this moment, because this is a bit of an awkward tipper this way if you want to use it like this in the yard for production work. So I want a proper hatch which is hydraulically controlled, and that would work way better than this does.
tot en met 14 september.
De Opel Private Lease Deals. Nu tot 5 Tera Electric vanaf €359 per 1,5 kilo. 1,49. Aldi, onze bank. Sla bij Aldi door je met schalkip drugsticks. 1 kilo maar €4,99.
That hatch is coming together beautiful. It's almost finished now. The only thing is I only have one cylinder at this moment, so I need to find another one. And further on I need to do some finishing welding work. And then we need to paint this thing. Alright, so I got the trailer painted this morning, or at least everything was new. I did add these beams on the side because I want to secure that if I hammer it with my excavator that I don't damage this complete side. So this is adding some constructive integrity to it, which makes it a lot more strong. So this wall hatch is now holding the sides together because this is very sturdy this way, and this is all very sturdy. Now we did have some Meranti wood from a project which you haven't seen yet, I think, at this moment. So I did saw these up into thin stripes, and we're gonna put these thin stripes on top of that new beam which I added on the trailer, on the tipper. So it's gonna look like this, and this will make it very strong because if you hammer this, it doesn't make that much sound and it's not gonna dent the steel. So I think it adds a lot to put some wood on, and since it's Meranti, this will outlast the steel of the trailer, so it's really good quality. And yeah, let's get that made on. Alright, let's put the trailer to the test, as we haven't done anything with it yet, only modified it. So let's see how that's gonna perform, and hope it stays in one piece. Well, that works just beautiful, so I'm really happy with that one so far. That's what it should do.